Happening right now, firefighters in the North Bay are on high alert as parts of Solano County are now under a red flag warning. There is gusty winds and high temperatures today that is raising the risks for fires. KRON 4's Charles Clifford is in Fairfield with more on the conditions there and how crews are responding.
Well, here in Solano County on Thursday, the National Weather Service has issued a red flag warning. Temperatures are in the 90s. We've had a steady breeze all day, and that is enough to trigger this high fire danger. Now, this red flag warning extends through most of north central California, including Solano County, where I'm standing here in Fairfield. And they say the winds could gust 35 to 45 miles per hour, humidity down to 5 to 12%, and that creates the potential for rapid spread if a fire does break out. Now, CAL FIRE would be responsible for fighting any fire that happened to appear here, and they say that they are keeping a close eye on the conditions.
You're going to find a lot of vegetation that is already dried out, where in past years it would be July, August when those would start to show they're drying out. So this year it's a little bit earlier than it has been past years.
Now here in California, the other thing we worry about whenever there's a red flag warning or high winds is will PG&E shut off the power as one of their PSPSs. I talked to PG&E earlier today. They say that's not going to happen this week.
We also take a look at fuel conditions, humidity levels, other conditions on the ground, and so we are not anticipating a PSPS for the next 5 days just because those conditions don't meet the threshold.
Now again, this red flag warning extends from Thursday morning until 8 p.m. on Friday evening. But for now, in Solano County, Charles Clifford, KRON 4 News.